Welcome to our special presentation on the top 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing the world as we know it. Today, we'll explore these incredible tools that are reshaping industries and driving innovation. Let's dive right in. First on our list is TensorFlow by Google. TensorFlow is an open source platform that has become the go-to choice for machine learning and deep learning projects. It provides a comprehensive ecosystem, allowing developers to build and train AI models efficiently. TensorFlow's versatility and extensive library support make it ideal for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and even reinforcement learning. Its adoption by industry giants and the developer community has propelled it to the top. Next up, we have PyTorch. Developed by Facebook's AI research team, PyTorch is gaining rapid popularity due to its dynamic computational graph and intuitive interface. It empowers researchers and developers to experiment and innovate. PyTorch's flexibility and ease of use make it a favorite among machine learning practitioners. Its dynamic nature enables faster prototyping and experimentation, allowing developers to iterate and improve their models quickly. Now, let's talk about OpenAI's GPT-3. This language model has captured the world's attention with its astonishing ability to generate human-like text and provide natural language understanding. GPT-3's advanced language capabilities have opened up exciting possibilities for applications like virtual assistants, content generation, and even aiding in creative writing. Its potential to transform industries is immense. Next, we have OpenCV. This open-source computer vision library enables developers to analyze and understand visual data, making it an essential tool in image and video processing, object detection, and tracking. OpenCV's vast collection of algorithms and functions, coupled with its cross-platform compatibility, makes it a popular choice for computer vision tasks across various domains. Lastly, we have scikit-learn. This powerful machine learning library is widely used for data analysis, classification, regression, and clustering tasks. Its user-friendly interface and extensive documentation make it accessible to both beginners and experts. Scikit-learn's vast collection of algorithms, coupled with its emphasis on code simplicity, enables data scientists to build robust machine learning models efficiently. And there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that are reshaping the world. These tools are empowering developers, researchers, and businesses to push the boundaries of what is possible. Remember, there are numerous other incredible AI tools out there, so keep exploring and embracing the power of artificial intelligence.